So professional trauma cleanup is necessary in a lot of situations if it's if it's a broad area. Now, if your son cuts his finger and drips a few drops of blood on your countertop or your kitchen floor, obviously you can handle that yourself. But when we get called, it's usually a larger area, copious amounts of blood, and this is all we do. So we understand what we're looking for. We understand, okay, how did that person react? Well, did they run upstairs? Is there more blood upstairs? And then there's the whole process to remove it. We're using the right products, the right chemicals. We're following the right steps to make sure it's clean and disinfected, and using the proper steps to verify that those methods were done appropriately. So it's really important to hire a professional to do that, to just peace of mind and to make sure that there isn't any potential for cross-contamination to anybody else.